Hello guys, this is Harry from Harry Tech back with another video. In today's video, we'll be discussing the newly released update on the sharing revenue or the partner program by Telegram. I'm not sure if you guys heard of it, but Telegram is actually implementing the same strategy that Google did all the way back when it launched Google AdSense or YouTube partner program as well. So if you are a channel owner on Telegram, you can happily now monetize your channel and earn from it, guys. And we will just get into the details in this video. But before we do that, please be kind enough to actually drop a like and subscribe to the channel. That will help us immensely. We are trying to give value on this respectable channel, and if there is anything that you want us to talk about, or if there's like any issue with any previous video that we explained, please drop it in the comments below and I will definitely get back to you. So back to our topic. Like I said, if you are a channel owner on Telegram, now you can monetize your channel. However, there are some stipulations that you need to meet or criteria before you can do that, and we'll just talk about everything that you need to do. So let's just read what Telegram has to say. Today we are introducing one of the most generous reward systems in the history of social media. Telegram channel owners can receive 50% of the revenue from ads displayed in their channels. If you ask me, I'm not so sure. I do believe that YouTube pays the same, about like 50%, or at least YouTube take 50% cut from the advertisers and give the publishers 50. So it's around or roughly the same percentage. So you are getting 50% of your income or the revenue from your ads, I should say. Then we have the reward for creators. Telegram users generate over 1 trillion views in channel every month. Starting today, owners of public channels with at least 1,000 subscribers can be rewarded with 50% of the revenue from ads displayed in their channel. So as you can see, and they clearly stated, they need at least 1,000 subscribers to actually monetize your channel. So if you are below the 1,000 mark, then definitely you gotta work your way up there and start getting more subscribers to your channel and monetize that channel. It is actually super easy, and I will show you in a couple ways to do it. And definitely you can get like 1,000 in a week or so. And if we scroll down here, they claim that channel owners can withdraw their rewards with no fees. First and foremost, there is no fees once you are withdrawing your tokens or money, or reinvest them into Telegram ads if you want to spend it on ads, collectible usernames, or premium giveaways. So you can just do that or reinvest the tokens that you received into one of these. In order to enable the monetization, you need to actually go to your settings, statistics, then monetize your channel from there. Then they talked actually about this token that they used to monetize, or they launched the whole monetization thing. It's called tone-based ads. To make this possible, we are introducing new type of ads which users can purchase with Tone coins, a cryptocurrency powered by the Tone blockchain. So they are using this Tone coin to power the whole payment system in Telegram. Basically, we choose the Tone blockchain because it has low fees, high transaction speeds, and holds a record of the number of transactions it can process per second. So it's fast and it has low fees. And anyone can promote their bot channel with budgets as low as a handful of Tone coins. When creating a Telegram ad, you choose the exact channel where you like it to appear, so you have full control over of their context. So if you want to launch ads on Telegram, you can also use Tone coins. So you basically, Tone coins is used widely for launching ads and receiving money for the ads shown on your channel. So, and this is how it looks. And I suppose you can withdraw Tone from, I don't know, probably not Binance, but let me see. Tone, let's look it up. So yeah, there you have it. The Tone coin is actually on Binance, and probably if it is on Binance by default, it will be on major platforms as well, like KuCoin, Xcoin, etc. So there is no issue withdrawing your money there. So that's a good thing to hear. That's for the tone ads, and if we scroll a bit more, why Telegram ads are special. Telegram ads are very different from ads on other apps. They are shown on large public channels. They never appear in your chat lists or other interfaces. Telegram ads not based on user data. They depend only on the channel in which you see them, and they directly benefit the channel owners. So I see. This is just for the people that are interested in actually launching channels, but also for the publishers. If you are probably thinking in the back of your head that these ads might, hurt your channel in a sense, they will actually interfere with the content of your channel and whatnot, but they have stated clear and loud that, that's not the case, and it will be just a smoother experience for the user. So yeah, there you have it. This is all of it. And I'm gonna leave the article in the description if you want to check it out for yourself. Like I said, one of the best ideas to grow your channel if you don't have a channel and start monetizing your channel is just basically like this channel here, Udemy free courses. This guy actually go and scavenge the internet for free courses on Udemy, and I don't know if they can do it if somebody's outsourcing these links or these courses, but you can go to Udemy and go to the main website, select free, and source that by the free category, and just grab the link and definitely just share it on Telegram, share it on Facebook, social media, and get people to join. As you can see, this guy have more than 99,000 people joined, and yeah, he's just posting free courses, and this is just one of the best ways to do it. The other thing, you can post, I don't know, whatever you want to do, like news, blogs, movies, I don't know, like stuff that you truly enjoy, and just share that one on social media. So this was it for today's video. If you liked and enjoyed this one, please drop a like, comment down below, and as usual, I will catch you in the next one. Take care of yourselves, guys, and peace.